everyone. Welcome to our April edition of Legal Briefs. The legislative session has concluded, so we are going to talk about a new enactment, Senate Bill 136. This bill contained an emergency clause, so it was immediately effective. So this is the law right now. And there were some changes to joint titling on a motor vehicle, and I've gotten some calls about it actually leading up to its enactment. So I want to talk about what the practical impact is going to be for you. So vehicles can be titled as an and, right? Buyer one and buyer two, or an or, buyer one or buyer two. Okay. So if it is an and, the signature of all owners has to be there to transfer the title. So if it's buyer one and buyer two on the title, then both have to sign to transfer it to new owner. Okay. If it's an or, the signature of either will work. Okay. So buyer one can transfer it to new owner, or buyer two can transfer it to new owner. Now, what we can't do any longer, and it's clear now in the statute, no titles can say and slash or. You have to choose. It's got to be the and where both have to sign, or the or where only one has to sign. So that's what we need to do. That is a new provision of, let me make sure I have the statute correct, 186A.035, subsection 2D. Okay, so that's how we're going to cover joint ownership, effective immediately. Now, again, this was just passed this session, so county clerks, I'm sure, are still adjusting to this. This was all part of the KADA cleanup bill, so I'm sure they're familiar with it, but give them a little grace as we all adjust to the new stuff. All right, we look forward to seeing you for next month's Legal Briefs. Bye.